All right, engineering students, man, do I miss you. I am in here in our cold classroom all by my lonesome on a Sunday. Every week, I think I'm going to start off with this real short preview of what's to come for the week, just so you know there's some thought put in behind what this do. And hopefully at this point, you know we have switched over to really becoming more of a computer science or a coding class. We're going to use codehs.com, and most of you have already started that, and I have evidence of that. So what are we going to do this week? Monday is really where you're going to start actually coding in CodeHS. The only assignment I've had to do so far was just sort of, hey, a little brief test, get you on CodeHS and things like that. And Monday you're going to start coding. And then Tuesday I want to have a Google Meet. Google Meet I want to have at 9:50. I'll record it if you can't be there, and I'll post it. But I really would like you to try to meet at those Google Meets. And I'll post a quick video today on Monday on, if you don't know how to get on Google Meets, how to do it. In short, I'm going to post a code on the classroom, and then I'll show you where to put that code to meet up at 9:50. The reason I'm doing the meets on Tuesday is because I want you to actually experiment with the coding part on Monday. So if you do struggle, you have some questions to ask. If you haven't done any of the coding or got on CodeHS prior to this, you're really leaving it to the last minute. I do expect you to be able to navigate that site and begin beginning code by Tuesday. Wednesday, and what are we going to work on? That we're going to work on a function in coding called functions, right? How do we write a function and what do they do for us? Wednesday, Thursday, we'll be using functions and top-down design. So what is coding in computer science really about? It's about solving problems. So we use computer programs to do it, of course, but what are the ways to think about it? And some people have asked about computer languages. Well, every language is slightly different in terms of the syntax and what we write into the computer, but they all are based on, they want to solve problems. So it's really more of a problem-solving class, a puzzle-solving class, than it is anything else. And then finally on Friday, we're going to deal with commenting on the code. Now, you do not need to come back to this video. You don't need to memorize it. Every day I will post on the Google Classroom, and I'll be much more specific as to what does it look like and what am I documenting. On Monday, I'm not going to have turn in anything evidence of coding. I will know from the CodeHS I have everyone's progress, but I'm going to actually have you fill out a Google form to figure out where you are based on that. Just know some people are asking, do I need to email you every day for attendance? I'm always going to ask, or I'm always going to be documenting something about how you're doing with those, and that's what I'm using for attendance. You don't have to email me for that. Last thing in this quick video is office hours. Now we're up and running. Who knows for how long? You might have questions. I am going to go ahead and dedicate Monday through Thursday anyways, daily office hours from 3 to 5 in the afternoon via Google Hangouts. And what that means is I'll leave my computer on with the email open, and I will hear ding, I'll hear a request. And guys, I'm not doing much. If you need help, don't hesitate. Let me help you move forward. And then if those times don't work for you, you can email me. I'm checking my email, like I said, all the time. And I will get back to you as soon as possible, and we can arrange maybe a Google Hangout that could be beneficial for you. All right, so you've watched this preview video. Go ahead and watch the next video as to what you're going to do with Carol the dog, and we're off and running this week. Stay well.